Steps for creating report using Report Wizard. First step, open the database containing the table where the report to be created will be based. Next step, click on the Reports tab, then click New. The new report dialog box will appear. Select Report Wizard and then click OK. The Report Wizard will start. This is similar to the Form Wizard and Query Wizard. Select the table and fields which you include in your report and move them in selected fields list. Click Next. The next page of the wizard will appear on screen. You may group records under any of the fields. Just click on the field and the greater than button. Next step, click Next. The next page of the wizard will appear on the screen. The next step, you can sort up to 4 fields in either ascending or descending order. Select the fields that you want to sorted on the drop-down list and then set the order by clicking the button on the right. Next step, click Next. The next page of the wizard will appear on the screen. The next step, choose how you would lay out your report by choosing the layout, step, block, outline, etc. and the orientation, portrait, and landscape. Click Next. The next page of wizard appears. Choose bold or corporate, formal, soft gray, compact, and casual. Click Finish. The report created in Report Wizard is automatically saved.